सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों, तो अज की वीडियो HR क्लब तो शूट कर लगा। HR क्लब CNC के अंदर स्पैशल है HR स्टूडेंट्स वास्ते और जोड़े इस फील्ड जाना चाहते उन्होंने वास्ते। तो ये बहुत वधिया मौका कि वो अपनी स्किल को भी डेवलप कर सकन। तो इतने HR क्लब से वेट कर रहे हैं बाकी दोस्तों का। इतने मेरे नाल गुरप्रीत एंड सुजैन जोड़े कि सारे HR क्लब ने आए हैं। हेलो here सारे जो HR के मेन कोऑर्डिनेटर जो सारे सामने ने। What you want to say about this club?
What do I want to say about this club? I think we have a lot of students here at the college, and social clubs like this help everybody get to know each other in the different cohorts and help establish a sense of community and peer support and just have some fun. So I'm really glad everybody came up today.
And thank you very much for inviting us and give us a chance to learn from different things. Thank you very much. So हम चलते हैं इस पासे दिखाने तुहानू बाकी वीडियो बना लो यार। इधर आ की बनया है ये तो पता नहीं चावलों के नाल टीम इधर वापस भी आ गए
पास्ता दो रंगी येलो कलर के
आगे देखो कितना स्वाद है।
हाँ, मैंने तो देखना लगा बड़ा स्वाद है।
सारे ने खाते नहीं बनाना है टीम बैठना तो बाकी भी बहुत सारे गेम खेलेंगे इतने HR क्लब ये तो मैं एक वीडियो शूट कर लगा और वीडियो मैंने नहीं पता की टाइटल देवांगे पर देखते हैं की बनता है। इधरले पासे साडे कोई दोस्त बैठे ने HR क्लब के Pearl
Susan.
So what you wanna share something about the HR club or something like that?
So this is actually my very first time actually meeting with the HR club. I had another student who recommended that I come and check it out.
कुछ बिंगो होगी स्टार्ट ते ये बिंगो थोड़ी बखरी है इतने बहुत कुछ नाम दिते हैं जिंदा जिंदा क्वेश्चन मिलता है तो साइन कराने हैं
ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਈਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਲੱਭੋ
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਕਿ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਮਿਲਦਾ
Horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh, you're not even done. You take that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Our third place is Raga. Make sure you take your things with you and help tidy up a little bit. We also wanted to get an email list of everybody who's interested in coming out to our socials. And if you haven't yet already, do go and see us on Facebook and follow the club. So right now I'm helping the club do some of the organizational pieces, but the idea is that this is something for the students, run by the students, and we can do more little fun things like this if you had a good time. How many of you had a good time? Yay! Awesome. Okay, so sign up, help clean up, and there is going to be a planning meeting next Thursday at 4 o'clock for the HR club. We're going to talk about different things we want to do over the coming year. So come on and